Namaskar. Now I am going to teach you Tihai in the Kayda. Before that, I'll tell you what is Tihai. Tihai is a set of bowls which comes which is played three times, like one set, second set, and the third set of equal bowls and equal divisions. When they are played three times, and when they come on the first beat, the sum, it becomes Tihai. So I'm teaching you how to play the Tihai in the Qaeda. Dha, din, din, dha, dha, din, din, da, dha, tin, tin, ta, ta, din, din, da, dha, dha, te, te, dha, dha, tina, ta, ta, te, te, dha, dha, dina, dha, 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 te, te, dha, dha, tina, ta, ta, te, te, dha, dha, dina, da, 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 dha, dha, te, te, dha, dha, tina, ta, ta, te, te, dha, dha, dina, da, da, dha. Here comes the sum. So, how it will be played? Dha, din, din, da, dha, din, din, da, dha, tin, tin, ta, ta, din, din, da, dha, dha, te, te, dha, dha, tina, ta, ta, te, te, dha, dha, dina, da, dha, 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 te, te, dha, dha, tina, ta, ta, te, te, dha, dha, dina, da, dha, 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 te, te, dha, dha, tina, ta, ta, te, te, dha, dha, dina, dha, dha, dha. So that was a Tihai in the Qaeda, and in my upcoming tutorial, which will be the last chapter of this series, I will teach you how to play the Qaeda in the Teen Taal, how to double the tempo or how to increase the tempo, and then how to play the variations ending with this beautiful Tihai. So stay connected, keep watching. Thank you.